Phonics, handwriting. 1. Listen and repeat. C. Cake, card, Cairo, candle. C. Cake, card, Cairo, candle. O. Orange, oil, omnia, olives. O. Orange, oil, omnia, olives. 2. Trace and complete. C. AKE, ARD, ANDLE, AIRO, O, RANGE, IL, LIVES, MNIA. 3. Look and choose. 1. Omnia, orange. 2. Candle, card. 3. Cairo, cake. 4. Oil, olives. 4. Look, read, and write. Olives, Cairo, orange, card, oil, cake, candle, omnia. C. O. Connect with art. A. Vocabulary. 1. Listen, point, and say. Colors. Red, black, blue, green, yellow, orange. Red, black, blue, green, yellow, orange. 2. Read and match. 1. 2 yellow cards. 2. 7 green olives. 3. 6 orange cakes. 4. 10 blue candles. 3. Unscramble and write. 1. Red pencils, 9. 2. Black, 8. Dolls. 3. Books, 5. Blue. 4. Rulers, yellow, 4.